Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of tuning in, you are highly welcome. My name is Ifoma. On this channel I talk on lifestyle, I do protective hairstyle for kids, I do DIYs. In fact, I do a lot of DIYs. Today's video is one of the DIYs I do on this channel. Okay, please remember to subscribe and click the bell button beside it so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you all for the love and support. I appreciate you all. Thank you for always coming back here to support me. It means a lot to me. Thank you. So guys, on today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your own aloe vera hair growth oil. Yes, aloe vera is so beneficial to the hair. In fact, aloe vera hair oil is so good. It will help your hair to grow so strong, thick and healthy. So guys, without much ado, let's get right into it. So guys, here I have my nicely washed aloe vera. I'll go ahead and cut it into smaller chunks to help my blender to blend it very well. Yeah guys, did you see the way this aloe vera is so healthy? That's the way it will leave your hair so healthy. Yes. Aloe vera controls greasy hair and calms an itchy scalp. It strengthens and repairs hair strands and promotes hair growth. So if you want to grow a healthy hair, please start using aloe vera. Yes. So the next thing we will be adding is onions. Onions is good. Yes, that's why I will be using it, because onions encourages hair growth and can be used to reverse graying of hair. Onions can be used to treat alopecia, hair thinning and the scalp infection. Yeah, that's why I decided to add onions to it. And the next one I will add is ginger. Yeah, ginger is also good to hair. It helps to improve hair growth. Yeah, because ginger helps to improve the scalp circulation that results in the flow of blood to the scalps. And when that happens, there will be a great hair growth. That's why I decided to add ginger to it. But mind you, what we are making is aloe vera hair oil. That's why we use much of aloe vera. Yes, but if you don't like onions, if you don't like ginger, you can skip the two. But I know why I added it to the aloe vera, because they will also contribute to the massive improvement of hair growth. Yes, that's why I decided to add it. So the next thing after blending it, the next thing to do is to go ahead and get a saucepan or pot, anyone. Pour in the blended aloe vera, onions and the ginger into the pan. Then now you go ahead and add oil to it. Yeah, here I'll be using olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is what I'll be using. I'll go ahead and pour in about 2 cups of extra virgin olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. You can use avocado oil, you can use sunflower oil, any oil you feel like using, that will be fine. Okay, so guys, after that I'll give it a stir and start cooking it. And mind you, you have to do this on a low heat level. Reduce your cooker to low level. Yes, because if you don't, it will get burnt. So you continue to stir it frequently, and you will know that it's ready when you start seeing all the oil on top. But for now, it's not yet ready, so you keep on stirring it. Look at, it's almost ready now. You keep on stirring it. As you can see a lot of oil, unlike before. That means that the aloe vera oil is almost ready. Yes guys, so keep on stirring. Okay, so now it's ready. Yeah, we'll give it a more stir, then we take it off the gas cooker. Turn off the cooker, then set it aside. Then we'll move over to the next stage, which is sieving the oil. So here I have my strainer. You can use wig cap if you don't have a strainer. In fact, anything that has a tiny hole, you can use it to strain out the oil. Okay, now I'll go ahead and pour in the oil. So to make sure that everything comes out, I will use my spatula to press the aloe vera to make sure that all the oil is out. So guys, this is what we have. As you can see, we still have aloe vera water beneath the cup. So we move over to the final stage, which is collection of the aloe vera hair growth oil. So now I will carefully pass the oil through the strainer. Okay, I will carefully do so that the aloe vera water beneath the cup doesn't drop into the sieve. Do this with carefulness, okay? And also you need to sacrifice some of the oil to make sure that the water doesn't drop in, because everything must not go in. Yes. So guys, this is it. Our aloe vera hair growth oil is ready. Now you can go ahead and add vitamin E oil or any essential oil of your choice to mask the smell. But I tell you, it doesn't have an awful smell. It smells so nice, so that's why I won't be adding any essential oil. But if you want to add any one, go ahead and do so, okay? So now I will go ahead and add everything into the applicator bottle. Now guys, this oil I made will last for me for about 1 month or so. I'll be using it for myself and my daughter. And guys, believe me, this oil is, in fact, this oil is the bomb. You need to try this, guys. You need to try this if you want to grow a healthy hair. Try this method, okay? And guys, please, I'm begging, if you've watched to this point, kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.